Hi there, welcome to our drawing tutorial. Today we will see how to draw a jar of lemonade. So you can see that I'm using my blue pen to draw the jar of lemonade. I'm using my ruler cause I will be start the drawing with a straw. Here's an ice cube and here's another one. Here's a small leaf and a slice of lemon. Now let's draw the jar. This is the handle of the jar. My drawing is done. Let's start coloring. I'm using my yellow pen. In this straw, I'm using a little bit of red color. My drawing is done. Thank you so much for watching.